Saw you paint a picture of a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same.
Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chinese Kiki. If you're also a returning subscriber, welcome back babe. So last time I did a video about cleaning my kitchen and you guys saw how easily you can get your kitchen so dirty, and this time I didn't hesitate to clean the rest of the room. So don't go anywhere and sit down, grab your tea, grab your cup of coffee and watch this with me, and I hope at the end of the video you'll get motivated and start cleaning as well. I'll start by cleaning the mirrors. I'll also do the walls. I'll do the everything that I have here. I'll have to remove everything because you know what, for some reason you just keep things all over the place and you're like, you know what, I'll do it later, but then you don't end up doing it anyways. You know what, I'll scrub off the walls, and you know what, there's usually some oils and darts, especially when you're blow drying your hair, when you're having a bath, there's steam all over the place, so I'm just going to scrub that off first. Cleaning and disinfecting your bathroom is very important because that's where you leave most of the bacteria, and no matter how clean you try to do it, it's always important to have like that day where you have general cleaning for the bathroom, because if you don't do this it becomes slippery, you know, you get a bad odor in it. And I think in this case I like doing this. I do this every week, but no matter how much I try or do this, there will always be something, and let me show you what I mean by that because you guys will be shocked. these white baskets, I always use them for storage, especially under the sink. That's why I put if I have excess shower gel. I also put there, I think, blow dry and just some other stuff that I don't want them like all over the place because it's easier for me to find them when they're there. So I'll be cleaning them because it's also been a while. Well, I don't even know where to begin, but it's been winter. Like, winter lasts like forever in Belgium. So, this place is always like this, especially if you've not been seated outside for a while, you've not been opening the doors or the windows, and usually there's a lot of spiders. It's very normal to find them there, and it's time for me to clean the windows. I've been cleaning them always on the inside, but not on the outside because it was raining, like the weather is not so good at that time. So I'll be cleaning here and hopefully to get a good result as always. So I kept this outside, and the reason why I kept this outside is so that I can use it during summer because I used it last summer, and I'm thinking this summer I just want to hang some plants on it, and I think it will look very good. And yeah, rust of course because it's been raining outside, but don't worry, it will be good.
Enchanté.
You're like a circle. My dressing room has been a mess for a while. I agree. But the reason why it's this messy is also because I've been trying to declutter, remove some stuff because hello, bye-bye winter, hello spring. So I just have to coordinate and I have to remove things that I don't need. And I have to remove all the heavy jackets because they take up all the space in my wardrobe, especially during winter. And when they're gone, now there'll be more space, and it's time now to arrange and put the new for the spring.
That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. 'Cause I'm the winner, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yes. Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Couldn't see that. Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd, and I think with old eyes. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. I had a friend, you're my friend. Never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'd